Unlocking language mastery. First up, language learning. ChatGPT isn't just for translations. It's like having a multilingual friend who can practice conversations with you, correct your grammar, and enrich your vocabulary in a way textbooks can't. The coding companion. For the coders out there, ChatGPT goes beyond troubleshooting. Imagine a tutor that walks you through concepts, gives you coding challenges, and reviews your work with constructive feedback. Creative writing wizard. Number 3, this AI can be your co-author, helping to outline your story, develop characters, and even suggest plot twists. It's like having a brainstorming session with a creative genius. Research revolutionized. Fourth, ChatGPT can simplify your research, summarizing papers, explaining complex concepts in layman's terms, and brainstorming research questions. Idea. Incubator. At number 5, we have the ultimate brainstorming partner. From startup ideas to marketing strategies, ChatGPT can spark that next big innovation. A friend in need. Sixth, while it's no replacement for professional advice, ChatGPT offers a conversational outlet for those seeking support or coping strategies during tough times. Tailored tutoring. Seventh, say hello to personalized learning. ChatGPT can create custom quizzes, summarize textbooks, and explain topics in multiple ways until it clicks. Professional penmanship. Next, whether it's drafting emails, editing resumes, or writing business plans, ChatGPT can adapt its writing to fit your professional needs. History and fiction brought to life. Ninth, ChatGPT can simulate conversations with historical figures or your favorite fictional characters, making learning fun and interactive. Philosophical partner. Finally, engage in deep philosophical debates or explore ethical dilemmas with ChatGPT, a feature that offers a wealth of perspectives. That wraps up our dive into ChatGPT 3.5's lesser-known features. If this sparked new ideas or ways to use AI in your life, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Share your experiences or favorite ChatGPT hacks in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.